Okay, what day is it today?
Mother's Day!
I was gonna say Sunday, but yeah, it's also that.
Sunday, Mother's Day. Sunday, Mother's Day. Sunday, Mother's Day. Sunday,
What?
Mother's Day.
Okay, I think that's enough.
My favorite thing to do with my mom is go shopping without boys.
Play marbles, even though we've only done it once.
That's
I honestly don't do much with her. Most of the time I'm either on my own.
So what does
Or
what does
pedicures
your
are
mom
nice.
do for you?
Wash the dishes. cook.
Everything. Almost everything.
Like what? Be
Like
specific.
3/4 of our stuff.
We have 4 quarters, so
A quarter is a fourth.
we have 4 quarters, so you only do 1/4.
What is something that you are super glad your mom does for you because you would never do it on your own?
Wash the dishes.
So the dishes would never get washed?
If
What-
I had a choice, no.
What would you eat off of?
I'd eat off of dirty plates.
I guess have babies.
Just a second. I
Cooking.
hope we don't get copyrighted for Mom's thing that she's watching. It's really loud. I hope we don't get copyrighted.
Cooking, washing dishes.
We've already said washing dishes.
Hate washing dishes.
But hey,
Is it?
hey Dad, have you seen
She comforts us.
the video yet?
She does my hair. Washing dishes.
Again. Probably cooking, actually.
Washing dishes.
Again.
Do you like your mom's cooking?
Sometimes.
Most of the time.
I like your cookies.
That Japanese chicken stuff.
Oh yeah.
Every now and then I'll make it with a bit of help from her.
Noodles. Yummy noodles.
Don't be creepy on camera, please.
Noodles.
Thank you for everything.
Yeah.
I don't want to be very specific because that would take forever.
How about thank you everything.
But how about
Thank you for life. Thank you for life. Happy Mother's Day.
Okay.
Happy Mother's Day! Rebecca should be coming soon.
Happy Mother's Day.
The kids did a great job getting all the dishes done. I'll put them away in a little bit. Got the potatoes in a pot with a nice big Vidalia onion. We're going to par cook those so I can roast them in the oven. And we have a bunch of pork chops that are brining right now. I would love to be able to do them on the grill, but considering the rain, I don't think I'm grilling outside. Okay, I dared Jacob to run to the street and back. Splash a little bit, splash! Okay, stop right there, stop right there.
Okay.
Was that hard?
Oh, sorry.
Was it cold? Was that cold?
Oh, you get
Yeah, was it cold?
Right? Oh, wow. No.
Your mark. Get set. Go.
Why is that so?
Yeah. Just finishing the pork chops. There they are right there, the cooked ones. A few more frying up. They're gigantic. They're from Aldi. We really like the Aldi pork chops. Got the apple simmering away with a little bit of brown sugar, butter, actually a lot of butter, and some salt. Gotta have a little bit of salt and cinnamon. And in the oven we got the, steaming up. We got the potatoes roasting. Let me wipe that down a little bit. There we go. Got the potatoes roasting. Delicious. Oh, and I'll be making a sauce, pan sauce from the leftovers of the pork chops. So the brown bits with some beef broth and butter and a little flour to thicken it up. Some roux, add the stuff, be delicious. And I always spike it with a little bit of vinegar at the end to brighten it up. Okay, the sauce is going. I guess it's really more of a gravy. Added about a couple of tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. It was also pretty thick. I had to loosen it up with some extra stock. Had some chicken stock right there. Pork chops are all done. The apples are right there, staying warm. I drained off the sauce, or the juice from the apples, so I'm going to reduce that so it gets a little bit more syrupy. There's a lot of butter in there, but it should still reduce pretty well. Get a little bit caramely. And then when that's all reduced, I'll put it back on top of the apples. By then everything will be ready. Oh, and with the sauce, I also add a little bit of sage. Normally with a meal like this I would use thyme, but we are all out of time. I think that's about it. We are almost ready to eat. This is how we do Mother's Day dinner. Hi, John.